it's time to do a little restocking on wood. So loaded up. We lived out on the Gulf Coast in Alabama and headed across the bay. See the Battleship, and we shop at Jubilee Specialty in Mobile. Hopefully moving over this way soon. But Bricks helps me get all of my stuff. This is what about $500 in wood cost down here. It's a lot of different stuff for a couple of different projects, and then I kind of load up on as much of the like ambrosia, maple, and cherry and stuff that I can stand. And after I loaded up, took a little beach break down here with the two little boys. They found this little heron that Hayes is a little too scared to get involved with. They'd pass out in the truck. We were there for a couple hours. It's one of their favorite spots. Here I'm water popping a lot of the boards that I've already finished up, and then getting finished on this one here, and popping some glue in some of the little spaces that might get filled. And there was a little nut. I got a couple projects going. I decided I wanted to make some cufflinks for a friend, and I got a pair of those made with some initials, so those hopefully turn out cool. And this weekend was filled with projects. About a week or so ago, my nephew hit his first home run, and what better to make than something to signify that. But I had some scraps from that cut out earlier. Just cut a little notch in those pieces, and that would hold the baseball or little plaque. I knew I was good to go. Gonna go deliver that bad boy. Join us for our next projects in the next video. Y'all have a good one.